continue with our fifth presentation, the power of audio. Every building, school, site or facility starts with the entrance. A solid enterprise risk mitigation and security strategy include protecting that entrance. All enterprise security systems need a three-leg security stool. One leg is for access control, the second is for video, and the third is for audio. More about the power of audio we will hear from Mr. Michal Riha, Area Sales Manager, Central and Eastern Europe region at Zenitel. Career background of 25 years of experience, more than 11 years of experience in different commercial and business development working for a leading global companies offering complex access solution. Mr. Riha, the floor is yours. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much, and good afternoon to everyone. I will now start my presentation as indicated, dedicated to share with you our thoughts, how important it's to have an audio in your security system. So, as you can see, you are on mute. That's something which is happening to many of us when now joining our work life and also private lives through video conferencing. So it happens that you forget to unmute when it's our turn to speak on a meeting. Your colleagues then can see what you are doing through the video, but if you are on mute, they cannot hear your words. And that's so that's why they are getting only half of what you are trying to communicate. And the same we can say about the safety and security. A door opening, a person waving their arms and appearing to scream, lights being activated at the perimeter, or a person pressing a help button in an elevator. That's something that security guard may see on their screens through the video surveillance cameras, but if she or he cannot hear what is happening, it's difficult to understand the context and the complete situation. And similar, we can say also about the other situations and other aspects of our lives. Teachers cannot usually leave students to be not supervised. To leave a control room, workstation, or critical environment areas, it's not so simple all the time. But audio can easily help you to communicate with the staff in another room easily without leaving your place. So I hope we will agree now that hearing and audio are the key to give a proper answer to someone who needs your response. The if this or then that response, that is essential to mitigate the security risk and effectively respond to the situation. Simply put, a silent security system cannot be efficient security system. Most security systems have some form of CCTV and access control. But just like a tripod, for something to be stable, solid, and efficient, you need the third leg. And the audio, it's the third leg. CCTV, it's your visual protection. Access control, it's your physical protection. And the audio device, it's your audible protection. Speak to the people in need, warn of unwanted visitors, or direct the security guard on a patrol. None of this is possible without an integrated audio in your system. So we conclude that the audio implementation is essential if we need to be efficiently mitigate security risk and support people in challenging situations. But it's enough to be satisfied with any audio device. The answer is very simple, no. Clearly received questions, clearly provided and heard answer. It's something you should naturally demand from your audio solution, regardless of the sound challenges of the area in which you or the person you need to reach is. What you need is a reliable and trustworthy audio solution, delivering the power of audio regardless of the challenges it's facing. So what is then the good audio quality? World-class audio technology proposed by Zenitel, it's a combination of unique hardware parts that allows audio waves to emerge in an interactive way, combined with the several built-in software features. Active noise reduction. It's a software algorithm that suppresses inferring background noise, so it's allow you to clear communication in even extremely noisy environments. Acoustic echo cancellation is designed to remove echoes, resonance, and unwanted added sounds in your communication. And for example, automatic volume and gain control, it's decreasing or increasing the sound level of the person talking to the intercom to allow for a good and crystal clear listening experience for the receptionist or the control room officer on the other side. Zenitel products are not only about the superb audio quality, but it's also about the resistance to the mechanical and wind hazards related to application where the products are used. I am sure you evaluate those aspects when selecting other devices for your security system. So why not to have the same expectations for the audio products, which should help you to have an efficient security system? Do you check if the assumed audio device matching with the use in the harsh environment? Do you check if does the speaker withstand with the weather conditions where you want to install it? Or do you check if the video intercom resists the dust? Don't forget also to understand the cybersecurity level of the audio devices, the future-proof, and the installation and maintenance demands. Zenitel offers devices that fulfill the highest expectations for those and many other aspects. So you will receive the full power of audio with every Zenitel product. Let's have a look, for example, of a commercial building where the Zenitel devices can be used to increase the efficiency of the security system by adding an audio. At the gates and entrances, intercoms or intelligent critical communication solutions deliver the opportunity for security teams to prevent and mitigate the potential violent situation. Usage of the video intercoms delivers a clear visibility of visitors, and touchless sensor helps to activate the call, eliminating the hygiene risks at the same time. Receptionist or guard can process easily incoming calls or make a public announcement from the suitable desktop stations or in an application which turns your PC into the regular intercom station. We also have the powerful station designed for control rooms, which increase the efficiency of the security staff there. And graphics applications helps with the visualization of the events in the system and the traffic of the security system. Also, integration possibilities of Zenitel critical communication solution into the third parties video management or building management systems, it's possible and well supported. Yeah. Also, range of indoor intercoms for cases where additional visitors in identity verification is needed meets the aesthetics and other demanding security requirements in modern commercial buildings. Intercoms installed at the site entrances or loading docks helps to mitigate the premises from delivery drivers or authorized personnel. We have products which are specially designed for the hallways, communications areas, or meeting rooms, which provides employees and visitors with important information quickly and clearly. Zenitel also offers a range of audio kits which are applicable for creating of tailor-made solutions, for example, like in elevator. So there is instant communication with an operator available when assistance is needed. Also, we have possibilities for connection with hearing loops. Zenitel portfolio covers the wide range of products which are needed to cover the whole perimeter of the building or the surrounding areas. We have IP speakers designed for ceiling installation. We have powerful desktop devices using in the offices and special products, for example, for SOS points. We have also strong range of products for public announcement and general alarms applications. Depending on the size of the building and perimeter, you can select from the range of IP speaker up to, let's say, installation of robust public announcement and voice alarm systems. We also support the radio integrations or usage of mobile applications, which is helping increasing efficiency of the guard patrols, guiding them right on time to the area of the event. There is existing demand from the security market for easy installation and simple use of various components in the security system. We in Zenitel are fully aware of it, and we design our devices to be easily added to the systems and helping to use fully the power of audio in your system. Power of internet allows you to use the data network to power Zenitel IP intercoms and IP speakers, as well to transport digital audio directly to them. We use open standards as SIP, multicast, or RTP streaming, which enables easy integration. And also our 3 modes of operation allows you to scale your needs from standard small standalone system up to big enterprise grade solutions. We also support your deployments with our trainings, professional supports, and our company focus on cybersecurity. Last but not least, the majority of Zenitel devices is ONVIF compliant. Thanks to the ONVIF compatible software, it's easy to integrate and map Zenitel solutions within other security systems, while giving your security team more tools to manage not just the video, but also audio under the same control interface. Basically, we do almost any integration, which is demonstrated by our wide array of already completed integrations. Integrations create synergies between the system for optimal security and communication purposes. This in turn can lead to the cost efficiency for staff, increase efficiency and better situation handling. Here are the most common cases. For example, using the graphic user interface of the access control system to do most of the calls handling in the audio system. Also, we can secure door opening, which means that our system will trigger the access control system in case you need to let someone who is calling on the intercom. You can also use IP intercoms and IP speakers in conjunction with your video surveillance. We call taking cameras, which enables you to immediately respond to the critical event. By receiving a signal from the alarm system, we can instantly play the voice recorded messages that will give instructions to the intruder or information to the security staff. Similar to the integration with the access control, the integration with security management system, it's including our audio units at the same graphic user interface. As well, we are sending system reports in case some of the device have a problem. Radio integration allows to communicate with your security guards from any intercom device and vice versa. Also using of existing telephonies let's say communicate with any IP intercom or IP speaker is possible. You can also easily speak with any portable DEC devices on the market, thanks to our system. Also use of intercom for broadcasting over the existing public announcement system, it's possible. Now, in short, I would like to give you a quick overview of Zenitel. Zenitel, it's a Norwegian company dating back more than 120 years. Today, with the global coverage through our own presence and partner network in more than 75 countries. Starting out with analog systems and later on in 2006, introducing the voice over internet protocol and IP-based system, we have since that time sold more than 500,000 IP intercoms, equipped more than 30,000 ships, and more than 3,000 railway stations around the world. It's relying on Zenitel audio solution. We are aware that knowledge is the key when you are selling, planning, installing, deploying, and maintaining security systems. That's why Zenitel invests big effort in development programs for its customers. Whether you are looking for intensive classroom training or convenient online commercial and technical trainings through our Zenitel Academy portal, or even quick DIY type of answers via our library, or following our how-to videos, all that we have, and it's essential to get you up to speed and keep you fully updated. Get a comprehensive advantage against your competitors to becoming expert for audio solutions, hopefully Zenitel, which helps you to have an intelligent and efficient security system. Communication is critical in areas of the business. Therefore, our expertise is focused on providing intelligent communication solution that allows you to hear, be heard, and be understood every time and everywhere. With Zenitel, you can be sure that you have efficient security system allowing you to use fully the power of audio. So thank you for your attention. That's our message about using power of audio in your security systems.
Thank you, Mr. Riha, and I will have a few questions for you. I will start with my first. Which markets do you operate on?
Yeah, thanks for that question. I just want to say that it's not only about the building security, which was presented in that presentation, but Zenitel is active in many other market segments. We can operate easily on the industrial applications, on the healthcare markets, schools, retail applications, and many others. For all those, we have the wide range of references, which I will be pleased to share if there is interest for that.
Thank you, Mr. Riha. My another question, are your products purely SIP?
Yes, but not only. Our all devices can be used in 3 modes. The most simplest one is just you mentioned SIP, but also we have our own platforms. One is called ICH for small systems. And we have also the large scale system, running on our ICX AlphaCom platforms. So all the devices can be choose for all those 3 platforms with very easy setup just when you are turning on the products to the operation.
Thank you. I see that you are based in Norway. Do you have local offices in region?
Yes, of course. The head office of our company it's located in Norway, and also many of our supporting teams are located there. But we have also our own subsidiaries in other countries across the EMEA region. And also we are covering the region through our Center of Excellence, which is, let's say, the highest level of the partnerships we have with the customers. But for example, I'm located in Prague, Czech Republic. So you see that we are really getting closer to the regions as much as possible.
And my last question, what about the legal aspects of security cameras having audio compatibilities?
Generally, I would say we have cameras in some of our, let's say, devices, and we strictly guide our customers to strongly comply with the local regulations. So it's GDPR aspects and other things which has to be considered when you are installing and using the video camera. So generally, we have no problems to meet those expectations, but it has to be checked one by one because it really varies from country to country.
Mr. Riha, greetings from Sarajevo. Thank you for participating in Security Summit Virtual Event 2022.
Thank you very much for the invitation, and it was a pleasure to join you and be part of the event.